Good Sunday evening, folks. I'm NTV Chief Meteorologist Eddie Shear. Just about an hour and a half or so away from kickoff of Super Bowl 50. I know lots of folks are excited for that, myself included, but here I am on Sunday evening talking about the potential snow that we are going to see across the island from late Monday through potentially Wednesday, as not one but two lows affect the island and the province for that matter. And it looks like those lows are going to bring copious amounts of precipitation. A lot of it will be in the form of snow, but not all of it. So let's get right into the kind of nitty-gritty details. Special weather statement in place for the entire island from late Monday through the day on Wednesday, possibly into Wednesday evening, as it looks like that is the time frame for our incoming lows. Getting a look at Futurecast. Starting us off tonight, 6 o'clock. Weak low rolling its way across the province. Few centimeters of snow here or there overnight into early Monday morning, but that's it. As we start off Monday, as you can see, area of high pressure moving in. That will keep the weather pretty quiet as we start off the workday. As we go into Monday afternoon, Monday evening, we can see the clouds spreading up from the south, and there is a snow working into the Maritimes. You can see it there. By Monday evening, it's just south of the island. So it looks like through the day on Monday, we are going to be okay. Jumping ahead now into Monday night, we see that low taking shape east of Nova Scotia. Snow spreading onto the island, particularly the Burin and Avalon peninsulas overnight Monday into early Tuesday morning. And then as we go into Tuesday morning, it looks like that's when we see the snow really beginning to pick up, as this low is going to be just to the southeast of Cape Breton Island at that time. So as far as commuting goes Tuesday morning, as it stands now, it's going to be very messy. What I also want to draw your attention to, that mix line, it looks like on Tuesday we could have some mixing issues for areas of the eastern and southeastern Avalon. Not sure if that mix line is going to work its way up into the metro. This model here does not think it will. Notice by 5 o'clock Tuesday, still snowing. Heaviest snow Tuesday. As of now, looks like it's going to be across the eastern side of the island, but it will all depend on the track of the low. As we head into Tuesday night, that first low crosses the island, lingering flurries overnight, but we're kind of in between weather makers late Tuesday night. A second area of low pressure will take shape east of Nova Scotia early Wednesday. That will bring more snow to the Maritimes, and it looks like this one's going to track a little farther west, which would bring a mix of rain and snow and freezing rain and ice to the Burin, Avalon peninsulas and adjacent areas as we start off Wednesday. And then that would pretty much taper to flurries or drizzle Wednesday afternoon, and the heaviest snow Wednesday would then be across central and western Newfoundland, and that low would then pull away as we go into Wednesday evening, leaving improving weather for Thursday. It also looks like Wednesday or late Tuesday into Wednesday, we could see some snow for southeastern Labrador as well. How much snow are we talking about? Well, as we go through Monday, again, not much. Keep in mind, this is not my forecast. This is a model forecast. This is from the GFS model. It's been pretty good for the last several storms. As we go into Monday night, that's when we see the snow beginning to accumulate. Notice by 5, 6 in the morning, we see significant snow. And it looks like by Tuesday evening, this model thinking many areas of southern and southeastern Newfoundland between 15 and 30 centimeters of snow, a little bit less as you go back to the west. It's always good to get a second opinion. So this is the RPM model. This is exclusive to clients who have the weather graphics that we have. This model comes from a company called WSI. Notice by Monday evening, 8 o'clock, not a whole lot of snow has fallen yet from the incoming storms across the island. But as we go into Monday night through the day Tuesday, that's when it looks like we see accumulating snow. It starts late Monday night. As we go through Tuesday, we see the snow really beginning to pile up for eastern and northeastern areas. This model, very similar to the GFS, looks like 15 to 30 centimeters for eastern Newfoundland between late Monday and Tuesday evening. Now, that second low is going to bring more snow. The question is where? The other question is, where exactly is the low going to track late Monday into Tuesday? Farther west? That mix line I was talking about comes farther up the east coast of the Avalon. Farther east? Obviously the opposite happens. Wednesday storm? Still some disagreement there. That could track east of the Avalon. If it does, instead of the mix we may see in the metro, we see more snow. If it goes farther west, we get more rain. And central would get more snow. Either way, it looks like late Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all looking messy across the island. Travel is going to be very, very difficult through the mid part of the week, especially Tuesday and Wednesday. So keep that in mind. If you do have some travel plans, be it flying or ferry crossings, I think it's all going to be impacted as we go into the beginning of the week. So I hope this was helpful, gave you a bit of an idea as to what we can expect as the week begins. Have a great night. Enjoy the Super Bowl, and I'll have updates for you on this tomorrow with my own snowfall forecast maps and rainfall forecast maps, ice forecast maps. I just didn't have time to do it today because it is Sunday, technically a day off, but I really don't ever take a full day off anyway. All right, have a great night. Enjoy the Super Bowl, and I'll see you all later.